Today we're going to learn the sound that the letters E, I and U make when they are followed by an R. Remember that an E, I and U are all vowels as well. So we've got our word hen. Okay, listen carefully for the sound that the E makes as I slowly say the word hen. 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 Okay, it makes a short sound E for E. I can usually change the last consonant in the word hen and the E will still make the same sound. Okay, let's have a look at the word hem. Okay, if you have a look here, all we've done is change the last consonant. Okay, and if we say the word hem, it still has the same sound. Okay, he, it's a short sound. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the word her. Okay, her. So let's say it together. Her. Okay, I've changed the last consonant after the E to another consonant and it's an R. So the new word is her. The first sound in her is H, just like hen and hem. But the sound you hear at the end of her is ur. Listen, her. When the vowel is E and it's followed by an R, the two letters make the sound ur. So say the sound ur, ur. Okay, this time we've got the word sit. It, sit. You'll notice that the I has a short sound, so it's Okay, let's have a look at this word, six. Okay, we've just changed the consonant at the end from a T to an X, but it still makes the word, I still makes the word or sound six. Now have a look here. I'm going to pull up this word here, sur. Oops, sur. Okay, sur. Okay, and again, just like we had hua, the IR makes the sound ur. Okay, it gives it an ur sound. Ur. Okay, this time we're looking at the word fun. Fun. Okay, and it's got the U has got a short sound. We've changed the consonant at the end to an R, so from an N to an R, and this time we get the sound fur. Okay, it's an ur sound. UR gives us a ur sound. So when we have a vowel, an E, an I, or a U, and it's followed by an R, the sound that we get each time is ur. So it's hur, sur, and fur. Let's look at bird. Bird. B-U-D. Okay, so again, the I, the vowel there, is followed by our R to give us an ur sound. Ur, bird. Let's look at the word hurt. 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 Okay, so the U here is followed by our R, so it gives us an ur sound. Hurt. Okay, and we have girl, so girl. Okay, so our vowel here is followed by our R, and it gives us an ur sound. Girl.